Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Aggregate demand questions get easy fast when you track which policies are actually expansionary, then match the only choice that pushes spending upward. In an economy with ample reserves, watch this. Tools like the discount rate matter less, so the clearly expansionary monetary move is decreasing administered interest rates, which pushes borrowing and spending up. For fiscal policy, keep it simple. Expansionary means lowering taxes or raising government spending, while higher taxes or lower government spending pull aggregate demand down instead. So combine both directions. Option D lowers administered interest rates and decreases taxes, making it the only pair that definitely increases aggregate demand. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust the given ample reserves condition and check both policy steps carefully.